Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this stylish kitchen over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be creating over here. So I'll create a wash basin, that's a sink over here for the kitchen. So I'll just select this polygons and I'll slightly use a bit of bevel over here. Again I'll put one swift loop. Let's go over here. I'll take a line tool and select this. Let's give a bit of fillet over here in this way. Enable in viewport and let's increase its thickness over here and I can slightly uh, push it a bit inside. Again I'll go over here, convert to poly. Let's use a swift loop over here, extrude by local normal. Let's click OK. Just drag this down. Select the polygons. Let's give inset. And let's delete it. Again I'll go over here. Again I will take a cylinder now. Increase its height, convert to poly, select the polygons. Let's give a bit of inset over here. Now again extrude it and I'll slightly rotate it inside. So select the edges and let's give chamfer and click OK. So I'll just save the file. So I'll just create some of the bottles over here. So let's take a cylinder over here, convert to poly, and let's give chamfer. Again select the polygons and let's give slide bevel. So select this and let's give chamfer. Click OK. So over here I'll double click on it and I can use a bit of bevel. I'll use a bit of extrude over here. Alright. Alright. So I'll just make a copy of it. So I'll just make a, again I'll resize it. Select the polygons. So I'll just make a copy of it. I'll just save the file once again. So let's just make this copy. Let's take a line tool, or I'll just take a rectangle. Convert to spline. Let's give fillet over here. And let's extrude it. Okay, before we extrude it, I'll take one more rectangle, convert to spline, and let's attach it over here. Select the spline and let's give boolean, and now I'll give extrude over here. Oops, I did a mistake. So whenever you are going to attach it, Make sure it is in the line. So now I'll just take this, and again I will use a boolean over here. Now give extrude modifier. So I can just go over here, slightly scale it, rotate it, effect pivot only, center to object, and let's rotate it, and we can just place it in this way. So I'll just push it over here in this way. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.